Using question words negative. What do I not do? What did I not do? What will I not do? What am I not? What am I not doing? What was I not? What was I not doing? What will I not be? What will I not be doing? What do I not have? What have I not done? What did I not have? What had I not done? What will I not have? What will I not have done? What have I not been? What have I not been doing? What had I not been? What had I not been doing? What will I not have been? What will I not have been doing? What must I not do? What must I not be? What must I not be doing? What must I not have? What must I not have done? What must I not have been? What must I not have been doing? What can I not do? What can I not be? What can I not be doing? What could I not have? What could I not have done? What could I not have been? What could I not have been doing? What may I not do? What may I not be? What may I not be doing? What may I not have? What may I not have done? What may I not have been? What may I not have been doing? Why am I not called? Why was I not called? Why will I not be called? Why am I not being called? Why was I not being called? Why have I not been called? Why had I not been called? Why will I not have been called? Why must I not be called? Why must I not have been called? Why can I not be called? Why could I not have been called? Why may I not be called? Why may I not have been called?